the corrupt system shikwambiriria kugwa tondu ni cia Kalioga corrupt officers uguo pole kinyaru tukinye handu muthamaki oke
muthamaki wa thayo
ni woke na sword riu niro andu riu makwambia kugayanio aria makwambata na aria magutigwo we are just moving from one cycle of the earth, the Iron Age, to another cycle of the earth, the Golden Age.
Okay.
Rutuma age rera ruragwo ni the beast system to the age re kururo ni ngai. Gutio ndo ungihanika thi ngima utahitukiire kirima-ini kiria ya Kirinyaga.
Where?
That it unaitagwo the North Pole of the universe.
Okay.
Na map ya Africa uri koragwo ni ainamanirio. Ndagetha mutikamenye the North Pole of the universe ikoragwo ku. Nikyo maminamanirie. Ndeto ikoragwo ifuku-ini ria Enoch. At least ngai ni atureheire visions in our dreams na tukimenya na agitwira kirima-ini kiria niho portal ikoragwo the biggest portal. Na niho ndamwira these days 3rd 15th na 24th ira mirango irahingukire
haria
kirima-ini.
Githika muno murori witu gunyitioge ni muthenya wa umuthi. It's a beautiful day toroke mwe kuma studio-ini cia Muhewa Maingi Media. Karibu sana gunyitioge ni we uratirorera we Kenya we jaitoka cia Kenya na ndimunyitioge ni muthenya wa umuthi na karibu sana thiini wa mitambo ya Muhewa Maingi Media. Guririkanie briefly subscribe thiini wa channel eno nditukoragwo na maundu maingi nditukoragwo na tafarira nyingi thina mbere gu subscribe aria muratu join ona inyuthie na mbere gutu join ndi uria ngihota gutariria kana kwerethera uria mukoretwo mutunyitireire no njugire ngai wa mwe murathime ni undu wa maundu macio mothe mukoretwo mugitunyitirira namo ni njitagwo Muhewa Maingi muthenya wa umuthi ndina tafarira tukiaria maundu maingi ni muonete show kadha twina mutumia kana mwiritu twitaga Carol Ryan ni mumuonete tafarira nyingi na gukihoka no umuthi tukiaria maundu mangi na show ciake ni nyona ni irehaga a lot of comments nesho ikoragwo na high interest ano ikoragwo ginya still na ni ukoraga kwina andu meton between I am araugo but it's good ni juga information is power na ni wega tugathomaga maundu thie na mbere juga ni mukunjitikiria tu ndehe biru ciganona biru imwe ya kambuni itagwo ya Express Terrazzo Limited makoragwo guku bypass amba wikiragira Terrazzo kuria guothe wikiragwo Terrazzo floor-ini stairs-ini flat roof compound makanitha-ini mashukuru-ini kuu guothe ni mekiraga Terrazzo tikira kumahurira thimu na niguo mekaga in details.
Walipokuwa wakijenga walitamani sana kuona sakafu inayovutia isiyoharibika kwa urahisi na inayoangaza kwa umbali. Je, wajua sakafu ya Terrazzo ndiyo iliwapa jibu kamili ya walichokuwa wakitafuta? Inawekwa kwa urahisi na kwa utaratibu unaofaa. Hii ni baada ya kutayarisha sakafu vilivyo, kisha mwaga mchanganyiko wa mawe na simiti na rangi. Lainisha na uhakikishe imemwagwa kwa umakini kutumia rola. Subiri kati ya siku 3 hadi wiki 1 ikauke. Baada ya hapo, anza kuosha ukitumia mashini spesheli ya kazi hii na maji, na baadaye tumia acid kuosha ili kutoa uchafu na madoa sugu. Malizia kwa kupaka mafuta au polish ya kuifanya idumu. Ikiwa unajenga kanisa, hospitali, shule, apartment, nyumba ya kuishi, viwanda, vinywaji vya mafuta, benki au mjengo wowote ule, tutembelee, kwani tuna mafundi wenye ubunifu na tajriba ya hali ya juu na uzoefu wa muda mrefu. Express Terrazzo Center tunakuuzia bidhaa za hali ya juu na kukuletea mahali popote nchini. Tutembelee leo Ruiru bypass Kamakis pale Karuguru, mita chache kutoka RFH Hospital, au piga simu 0798 333 Express Terrazzo Center bypass. You dream it, we fix it.
Tutikire kuma promote tondu no munyitagirira mitambo itu na njira nene na no madure brand ambassador wa mbere kuma hindi iria nio like kihinda-ini giki nio madure brand ambassador mbere na kuma hindi ni mukionete kambuni ingi ni ciukite na ingi yukite ni kambuni ya Phone Place Kenya ana omendagia thimu cia moko na oho thimu cia moko cia thuka magakorwo magiciripia ni makona thimu mithemba yothe Samsung, Infinix, thimu brand ciothe na no makoragwo makihota guthondekera thimu yaku hindi ria yathuka kwa ihinda rinyinyi muno na ni mamigiraga haria iri igoka ikoyo igathie igathondekwo ugacokwo kareherwo makoragwo haria the Bazaar Mall Moi Avenue the Bazaar Mall Moi Avenue. Yes, the Bazaar Mall Moi Avenue ugithie kuu ni ukumakora na no waranirie na kuhitukira namba iciragira ho screen-ini yaku kana ma check website-ini ciao kana marore haria mwena wa Facebook ucagure thimu yaku no uthie wike trading yako thimu yaku ni kunogetie na no megwatanĩire ngerenwa nyingĩ nginya cia dependable brands brand nyingĩ muno ni megwatanĩire heo nyingĩ muno nĩ wa kwenda thimu original na ukona wigirĩrĩki na thimu ciao ni ikoragwo na warranty tuma promote tono ni metikirite gutu promote ndire twambĩrĩria show na Karo abe anyite mwiroreri ugeni thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ũmũthĩ tucoke tukorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere karibu sana
Mwiroreri witũ wa Mũhia studio
karibu sana Karo
ndakena muno ni ku invite ori guku kwa Mũhia yes
na ithuĩ tũtikĩrĩ kuo Karo ithuĩ no tũramemerekia
good
na ni ngoretwo ngĩgwetha ũkoretwo kũ
ngoretwo Aberdare na Thomson Falls
nĩkĩ mũreka kũ
no maũndũ makũrehe thijeru
haya mũrameka atĩa
hizo ni za chini ya maji
we ngaka shwita na ikane gutwira kuri ukoretwo ni gututarĩria hihi ni gutuhe tukuru uria mukoretwo mugigika na no wega and you know ona ithuĩ no tugikoretwo hihi tukiri na ciuria kadha wa kadha kwa andu manjirite njuri uhoro wa solar eclipse ange makanjiranga anga kwina blood moon kwina hindi kurai na blood moon andu mako makinjuria ni njigua Karo akeri uhoro wa constellations you know and the universe kakiuga ni wega ngigwite nigetha twaranirie no tutanambia ri show citu ni ikoretwo kwina andu I have noticed a lot of comments no hena cio itangienda kuhingira maitho tondũ andũ marauga ati this is new age teachings ati this is deception kirio na kĩrĩngĩ kũria Karo are you a prophet are you a preacher?
Me am what I can say I'm a seer.
Yes.
Yenyo na maũndũ a seer na prophet I think ni the same. Me am not a preacher but ni joy maũndũ maingĩ tondũ ni njĩragwo maũndũ maingĩ. I have activated my spiritual eyes, spiritual ears.
Ugo no wonaga maũndũ.
Ni njonaga maũndũ na ni njĩragwo maũndũ.
No nduhunjagia.
Ndihunjagia yeah.
Oh wow. Ndori ugo negetha mũndũ akauga ati ni kumahunjĩria tũramũhunjĩria. No I think new age teachings ni irĩkũ?
Hakuna new age teachings. No Bible ni yahithirwo maũndũ maingĩ muno. Everything was changed by Emperor Constantine in 325 AD mena nyina.
Then he say something.
Na rĩu tondũ we are in the age of Aquarius, it means people to take their power back.
Yes.
Rĩu power ĩno yahithirwo. Harĩ mabuku marĩa mahithirwo.
Nĩ andũ mara take back ihinda rĩrĩ. Akristiano itũre matwĩroragĩra rĩ tondũ most of these comments nĩ andũ nĩ akristiano moyaga maũndũ very sensitive I will say ona nĩ ndoete ũguo rĩa mbere twarangĩendagio Karo nĩ ndeteire kwaranjĩra you know so what would you like to tell Christians who watch us? Are you trying to divert them from their faith to hena confusion kumbe ndio cia tiriri Karo atwĩra tufuate yes where do we draw the line?
Okay now umenyo ndo wa mbere Ngai awakaga na the law of times and seasons.
Yes.
No muthi ni gwenda umathomere Joel 2:31.
Joel 2:31.
Niguo mamenye ti matugo tuko tukiaria.
Joel
2:31.
Joel 2:31. Joel 2:31. Irauga atiriri ati riũa rĩgatuĩka nduma mweri naguo ũtunehe o ta thakame mbere ya muthenya munene wa kũmakania wa Mwathani ũke.
Yes. Wauga mweri utuike utunehe.
Riũa rĩtuĩke nduma mweri naguo ũtunehe o ta thakame mbere ya muthenya munene wa kũmakania wa Mwathani ũke. Yes.
That is what happened on 13th and 14th March.
13th and 14th March. Niki kwari?
Kwari na the lunar eclipse, blood moon.
Nĩndaiguire blood moon.
na riu solar eclipse nayo ri the darkness total solar eclipse ikoka 29th March before the judgment of God waigua na the new earth the old earth ira bring kugwa from 29th March
the old earth
ino Iron Age Kali-yuga nagetha 1st April the new earth yambiririe gwikuruka no it was prophesied tete ni undu tureka kuga
tete ni undu muroka kuwika ati so the 13th niyo no twathoma haha niyo no turathoma haha
yes
this 13 the yahanikire 13th of March the blood man ati mweri naguo utunehe otathakame
yes na ni wekire uguo malindi yonekanaga wega muno
we malindi
yes
liwana le gutwika nduma niyo solar eclipse
yes 29th March ni with the judgment day of God yuke idere bukariu
alafu
now from now 29th March todo hedio nito Kali-yuga irathira officially todo ni yathiruruka 360 degrees of it all the evil all the suffering kila kitu ni arikia because we have ages and yogas riu ni twarikia cycle imwe ya thi
tatutaririe riri karu nigetha mwirori witu anyite briefly Kali-yuga ni I mean niki
okay tukoro na cycles ya earth there are 4 but not the major ones nino ino to Kali-yuga the Iron Age na the Golden Age ino ya Messianic Kingdom
okay ino riu iroka
na hindi ya Kali-yuga ri andu makoragwo merigitwo mundu ndamenyaga you are a soul tondu wewe the true you ni muoyo waku hau na nikio urona mafuku meheririo maundu maria mothe Yeshua athomithitie ri ni meheririo tondu that was the theme of the Iron Age the Kali-yuga andu merigwo consciousness ethiethi
tiketwirigitwo niguo ikatwe toro
mwikare mwitoro spiritually asleep
yes
ni mundu ona nikio uronaga pastors matirota ku move with power because of the age tondu Kali-yuga yathagwo ni beast system
okay
the dark rulers of this world the elites nio mathaga the Iron Age Kali-yuga but the Golden Age yathagwo ni Ngai through a king bingo yuroka
okay wow haya Kali-yuga now we are transitioning to the Golden Age right eclipse ishire todo blood moon niyo no ajira na nionekaga mundu e malindi wega this eclipse is supposed to go kari
the solar eclipse igoka mweri 29th March
igoka mweri 29 perhaps joke na thutha na no wega goria gutiri kwa hanika solar eclipse igi
ni cihanikaga but hedio gutikoragwo na transition
okay
because like now mweri 13 ri ni gwira ni kwa na portals na gates
yes
na ni gukoragwo na number 369 they are called secret key of the universe hedio ni portals ya iguru na thi ihigukaga na no ginya tondu Ngai akiaria aragia with the law of times and seasons
okay
plus numbers na ketho uri kuhota ku decode in this month peke yake March is the last month of the year by the way muhero already happy new year
ne hede twaingira
mwaka mweru wa January urari wa maheni wa Kali-yuga
was ono wa Kali-yuga
riu mwaka wa Ngai mweru fiu urambiriria 21st March riu April ndo tufataire go celebrate new year first
macenjirie niki
nagetha ndui ugia gutumira the law of times and seasons ri ira Ngai atumagira ri ugutinda ukiurura guku ona hindi yaku ya appointment with your destiny yakinya nduramenya because maundu ni macenjirio
okay wow twiko ndenda uni terefe ndugeterere ciuria muno tondu niwe wina uhoro nikigwe ndathingaga ciuria tondu tukoragio uhoro wa blood moon na the eclipse like what we should know about kire
okay riu no ginya kugira hingukire gates and portals na gates cire citingihiguka citamachite the 369 the secret key of God 369
ne
itako the secret key of the universe no mwiroro ino ethio kaguguone ni iretwo
Ni mweri 3?
the numbers
369.
Riu ri no ginya hari date cia the last month of the year cigira matchire na 369.
Okay.
The dates that matched was 3rd March, 15th March, and 24th March. Ira rĩrĩa mũrango wa mũico ũrahingũkire.
Rĩu nĩ kũhingũku.
Rĩu nĩ kũhingũku kĩrĩma-inĩ. Yes.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo kũhingũkĩte tũbatiĩ gwĩka atĩa?
To align yourself. Repentance na to align your energies. We align our energies na gũthikĩrĩria sound healing. Nĩguo to vibrate high because everything is energy and energy is everything.
How will we align our energies?
Repentance na akorwo nĩ wekaga ũru ũtige, at least now you align with the energy of the new earth.
No agwetwo ũhoro wa Iron Age, Karo. Njĩtĩkĩtie tũngũrie kĩũria kĩa Antichrist. Ararĩ kuo Iron Age kana nĩ hĩndĩ egũka?
Ararĩ kuo na nĩ warathanaga.
Nĩ ũrathanaga.
Na rĩu watho wake nĩ wathira. Nĩguo rĩu Ngai oke athane.
Na kwĩna andũ maratwĩra atĩ Antichrist nĩ aroka.
Rĩu ũrĩa werirwo Antichrist Bible-inĩ rĩ nĩ mũthamaki ũroka wa thayũ. Mwandĩkire nĩ Antichrist na gethoka mũmũrege. Mũrwo nĩ ũthamaki.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Confusion ira ekuo nĩ nyingĩ. So you people you should have an open mindset. Mweke research.
Yeah.
Nĩguo ũthamaki wa thayũ ndũgakũhĩtũke. Tondũ nĩ waigua the judgment day is coming. Yes.
When is it coming?
No, from 1st April gũthiĩ na mbere. Ndio rĩu andũ makwambia kũgayanio. Arĩa magũtigwo 3D na arĩa makwambata the new earth.
So twathi new earth rĩ kana arĩa megũthire ndikĩũĩ kana ngĩkĩrĩ ũmwe wao.
Nĩ ũkwĩbanga ũtuĩke ũmwe wao.
Yes. Those who be left, what will happen?
Okay, there are those who will be left na maheo chance to go through a spiritual awakening. Through spiritual awakening rĩ nĩ rĩrĩa Ngai aragwĩta so you can merge your soul, your true identity with him. Tondũ the soul na Ngai nĩ one. Hatirĩ separation. Na nĩho hatwahithirwo. Nĩkĩo wonaga andũ makua magĩcoka tondũ people don't ascend kũrĩ other realms igũrũ tondũ ũrĩa mahenirio.
Okay.
Because no ginya wambe utuike one with God, the soul. Rĩu nĩ gũgũkorwo na mass spiritual awakening.
Andũ mokĩre gũkĩra
rĩu
na nĩ mokĩre ta rĩu kũrĩa TikTok rĩ gũtirĩ ingĩ irario.
Yes.
No ici irario.
Andũ mokĩre in large numbers. Na getha rĩu ũpurifywo ũhote rĩu gwĩtwara the new earth. Tondũ ndũrathiĩ automatically. You have to raise your vibrations, you repent. Akonire kama maũndũ moru ũtige
waganu.
Yes, tondũ waganu nĩ ũrathira. Nĩkĩo prison nĩ ĩrahingwo. Churches and kĩrĩa
hospitals. Nĩ kũhingwo. Kwagĩa arwaru.
Rĩu gũtingĩkorwo na mũrwaru tondũ the presence of God is dwelling among us.
It will be among us.
Yes. Tondũ gũtikũkorwo na anything bad. Nĩkĩo andũ marona tarĩ irondo tũrauga tondũ andũ mamenyerire kuona maũru. Rĩu ũngĩmera kũroka in 100% good. Marona tarĩ njamba.
Matingĩtĩkia. Ebu tell us about now after 29th. Nĩrĩo wauga riũa rĩgatuĩka dark. Riũa rĩtuĩke dark, right? After this 29th, what should we expect?
Ego kahora tondũ you know Rome was not built in a day. Even the collapse it will come bit by bit. Nĩguo the corrupt system cikwambĩrĩria kũgwa tondũ nĩ ciakalioga. Corrupt officers ũguo polepole kinya rĩu tũkinye handũ mũthamaki oke.
Mũthamaki wa thayũ.
Nĩguo oke na sword. Rĩu nĩrwo andũ rĩu makwambĩrĩria kũgayanio. Arĩa makwambata na arĩa magũtigwo. Yes.
Mũthamaki wa thayũ aroka rĩ?
Anytime from June.
Ugo tutigũikara ĩno so in these 2 months systems nĩ ibatie gũkorwo ci collapse kana ingĩ collapse mũthamaki yoka
hari mo iko collapse oka nĩ mo nĩ cikukwambĩrĩra ku collapse immediately. Yes.
Wow.
Yani no miguaga eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. Ni gweroka.
Niki ikukwenda utumakia rĩu muthiro nĩ gũka
tukumakia ndwika tumwire muikare mwirada change kuri tukamwiraga tulijua tukanyamaza. That is why we are told be your brothers and sisters keepers. Niguo tondu ti andu othe maigua in the spirit ri aria maigua moke mauge tondu Ngai ndekaga undu aterete andu amwe no nginya akwire uthio kauge yeah.
Wow. Riu ni muthiro but muthiro ti uria twiragwo. Okay, muthiro uria twiragwo Bible ni ati waguka gutucinwo na mwakire and you know hell, heaven.
Apana. We are just moving from one cycle of the earth, the Iron Age, to another cycle of the earth, the Golden Age.
Okay.
Rutuma age rera ruragwo ni the beast system to the age re kururo ni Ngai.
Oh. Then after the age of God, muthiro. Mwisho. Utire muthiro. Muthiro
rira gokari, rira kona the son of God ni Yeshua. Umenya hau ni kwisha maneno.
Ni gwathira, ni muthiro. Aro na kia gokari.
How to tioe, but it's not yet. We are just moving from one age to another.
To the other.
Na nikiara tuma muthamaki on behalf of his son. The son will be ruling behind the scene.
Oh. So this king, Habiga, nenyona goke mo post, kana no AI images.
Okay, tutigimwikira the truth sura because tutitwa hayo authority ni Ngai. No ginya tweterere his appointed time.
Mwenake.
Ekuo.
Hey. Ni muonete.
Me the muonete in the dreams. But abugo nyamone muonete in the physical.
Yesu troni yo ne Manase, Murasta.
Tigana na Manase. Okay. Ukwira go do not touch the anointed. Ojo muroni na Manase digo chitwe.
But you seen him in Kiroto. Hey, nate.
He's a young guy, 30 years.
Hey, toko neni.
Tiwe mo.
Just kidding. Tiwe. Hey. Nikara ojira maundu. Gatukanero. Kenya be ndihe biru imwe tu haha.
Okay.
Ndirikanie mwirori ati ni turatwara ciana citu kuria kwa Serazeke Rehabilitation Center. Na aya ni andu aria magumirwo ni ndawa cia kurefia, makagumirwo ni maundu ma mental health, na mako magumirwo ni minyamaro yothe irehagwo ni ndawa cia kurefia bangi, nginya iria ndito kuria ni marahonera, na tukoragwo kuria mwena wa Utawala, na mathogora maitu ni mabacirire, ni twikaga rescue tukagira mwana waku kuria arwarire, tukamurehe kuria, na itikira kurehe mundu waku kuria amune kundu very serene, very secure, na mathogora ni mabacirire. Kuria no kuo arwaru mekago deliverance, kuria no kuo arwaru makao makihoerwo to kuheo dawa kuku kwi maundu mangĩ very spiritual mabataraga divine intervention, na nikio kuria gwa Serazeke turaruta wĩra ũcio mwega, na itukuheo nginya ngerenwa very soon. Nĩ wĩra ũrĩa mwega tukoretwo tukiruta. Rehe mwana waku, hũra thimũ icio ci screen-inĩ yaku, no ũhũre yakwa, na namba ĩyo ĩtarĩ ya Kenya, ĩyo screen-inĩ yaku ihura na WhatsApp. Ndukario kandi muno tondu kwi director witu wija wa bururi, na niyo huthagira na mbeo. Turathi na mbere kwania na Karo, na itugucokereria after a short break. Utugumururi wa kigwa tukoranagiria na Karo, ndera ndimucokerie riu atutware na mbere. Back to you.
Okay, thank you murori ni mucoka. Riu ngumiraga uhoro wa uria uthamaki wa thayo uroka. Na ni ndamwirire Kenya iko iri gateway kana portal is the biggest portal of the universe. Uti undu ungihanika thi ngima utahitukiire kirima-ini kiria ya Kirinyaga.
Where?
That it unaitagwo the North Pole of the universe.
Okay.
Na map ya Africa uri koragwo ni ainamanirio. Uri koragwo.
Ainamani.
Nagetha mutikamenye the North Pole of the universe koragwo ku.
Oh.
Nikyo maminamanirie. Ndeto ikoragwo ibuku-ini ria Enoch.
Oh, in the book of Enoch.
Yes. Mamina manirie nagetha mutikanamenye Mount Zion ikoragwo ku na kuria North Pole gateway ya thi ngime koragwo.
Okay.
No, at least Ngai ni atureheire visions in our dreams na tukimenya na gitwira kirima-ini kiria niho portal ikoragwo the biggest portal. Na niho ndamwira these days 3rd 15th na 24th ira mirago irahingukire
haria kirima-ini
haria mukui mundu akoragwo. So anytime hari mutu umwe wagwire umwe gitigara. So anytime uyu ngi no ugwe. Tondu ri wira waguo ni wathira.
Ni mite yagwa, ni mite yako handukana ni oyo ya mititu.
Hadiro akiro tondu ikwitari ikwite koragwo hitukire hau kirima-ini hau mukui mundu akire Olteo. Ru mutu umwe ni wa Northern Hemisphere, ucio ngi ni wa Southern Hemisphere. Yeah. na nikio uraigwa kirima kiretwo the North Pole of the universe tondu niguo murango wa the spiritual realm and the physical realm.
Wow.
Na riu the three gates ni ciahinguka na nikio uraigwa andu angi makiuga 2025 ungitara 2025 ni equals 9.
2025 equals 9. 2025.
Yeah.
This is 522 9.
Na the ishi date ishi ndira kuheri 315 na 24 wachitara uguo cio ciothe kinya the month na year ciothe ciguka 369 the key of the universe haria murango rahingukire kirima-ini
riu ni muhunguku
riu from 29th March riu niro maundu makambia gucenjia system ya ciambiririe kugwa corrupt officers mambiririe kugwa tondu the Kali Yoga near finish the 360 evil of it. Yeah.
Wow.
Arafu Kenyans nio mari marehe the revival. That is why Kenyans went through 31 months of suffering. Kuma riria president wanyu oire kiria uthamaki nirio the 31 months chabirie gwitara na ciguthira 30th April.
Mire meri 31 iguthira wathani wikuo waruto
nirio the 31 months of suffering cigathira. From there we'll start seeing changes.
Okay.
God will know how he will manifest changes.
Wow.
So in order to move from one cycle of earth to another no ginya comic debt ni takirumi uguo. You work out the comic debt niguo muhote kuya the positive part of number 13. Na riu tondu Kenya is the gateway portal nikio Kenyans twathire through 31 months of suffering.
Months.
Na 13 in reverse ni 31. Nikio ndirakwira God talks with numbers. Na riu no ginya ukorwo wi alert niguo uhote ku decode these messages. Yes. Okay. Muthamaki uyu wikuo akioya kiria ri wiathi
I mean uthamaki
kwari 13th September
ke confirm aki inaugurate tuko factual Ruto's inauguration date it was on 13th September.
Yes,
2022.
Kwari 13th September. Riro ile Bible kwari 1300 hours.
Damugwaja.
13 minutes 13 seconds.
Really?
Yes.
Damugwaja? Na
dakika.
Damugwaja na dakika 13.
Seconds 13.
Na second 13. Wait a minute.
Kwari 13th parliament. This parliament is 13th. Now can you connect the dots?
Wait a minute. Atio ire mweri 13.
Yes.
Damugwaja.
Yes.
1300 hours. 13 minutes. 13 seconds.
13th parliament. Yes. Ugitara maritwa make ri William Samoei. Tabtara.
Kedare. William Samoei.
Tugekire Ruto ndireithe sasa count
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13.
Agiciarwo ri aciarirwo purposely okay arehe the new earth. Okay, I work out the comic debt number 13. That is why he came to this earth.
Where?
His sole mission. Ti undu wa bango riu ni Ngai
arehirwe kioguo.
Kioguo.
Now my question is muthenya wa inauguration was it a coincidence kana ni yoi?
Doi.
No kiundu.
But his soul knew. Yes, and God.
Where?
They knew his purpose before he was even born.
Haya tuthie riu ni 13 maritwa ni 13.
13th parliament.
13th parliament. Niwe no turi. Reke gone farm.
Taraba thidi yake ni ari.
13th parliament Kenya. Ni mani yotu ne horera. Members of the county assembly 13th parliament. Kego it was elected in 2022. Niyo. Haya.
Okay.
Birthday?
Birthday yake niri.
Birthday. 21 December 1966.
Okay, 1966 ri. Na 2024 taroraga kwa miaka igana arari last year.
Last year.
Birthday yake ati celebrate arari miaka igana.
Haya, 1966. 2024 minus 1966. 58.
5 plus 8 ni?
5 plus 8 ni 13. Where? So why 13? Is this 13 a special number?
13 is a very special number. It's the highest number among numerology to bring change.
Na twakiriwo 13 ne waniraki atiwe
nikuhenio.
Makaugaga the 13th, Friday the 13th.
Nikuhenio. So that you'll never know kure the positive part of number 13 and the negative part of number 13. Now, when you work out the negative part of number 13 and you are able to reverse it to the positive part of number 13, change is unstoppable.
Wow. So, how do I reverse the negative whatever of number 13?
Oh, turadi spiritual awakening, turadi mathina Kenya ri. We are just working out the karmas, the comic debt ya number 13.
Okay.
Na riu todo kweri to 30th April ndio kameo igathira. Na so many people have woken up. Una nduruga ona we TikTok no raigwa ndu ni mokirite muno.
Ndu mokirite muno kwaja. It's true by the way.
That means we are reversing the number 13.
I'm trying my auntie ha Gen Z. Ndigwira keri maundu ma ndiramaka muno. Ndeciagia no inyu mumaragi.
We are now moving from the negative part of number 13 to the positive part of number 13 because Kenya is gateway, Kenya is Canaan, the promised land. Kenya ni orarehe revival. That is why we had to work out this comic number 13. Nikyo kwirago always discern the law of times and season and always discern adora mokana blessing in disguise. Yes. To the blessings in disguise.
Blessings in disguise.
Yeah. Ado mareshiria ni urukura happen. It was planned. We go through a suffering for 31 months so that we can activate the positive part of number 13.
Yeah.
And we reverse this whatever so that we can bring the new earth. Because Kenya is a gateway, Kenya is a portal.
Yes.
Gushiru nuranyita.
Nidrathi nyitete. Ndagire kurora riri. Wajira hediria president oire matamu ma nikio ire ni sword. Yari 13 Gitu na mbere ni clip yo dragaria kurora
Do everything is matching, everything is aligning because there are no coincidences in life. Yeah. Ono agishiaro ni ko ekaine ni wokarehe kiria revival. But now gutiamenyekanite uri akamirehe. Now he was to activate the comic debt number 13 so that Kenyans can activate the positive part of number 13. Yes, and we can now bring the new earth. Yes, so the new earth no ginyagira biririe Kenya because Kenya is the gateway.
I think creepy or not the mirror later. Let us just continue. Negumi the later
there are no coincidences in life.
So this 13
ikona meaning.
Na niyo hihi.
Doi because he's spiritually asleep, him is just working out his soul mission. So the soul yake agiokarid. See, I told you before you come here, nikora kona meeting with your archangels, angels na spirit guides. Nigo makwire what you'll come to do. The soul knows. Yeah. That is why he was placed at the right place at the right time. So that he can work out the revival. Yes. The only somebody who is spiritually awake ni akota kudiscern. Todo probably ye mwenyewe doi.
We nduri mutike mwire.
Ndura mwirira ku.
Yego kunenda-ini utwaragia.
Probably maybe kuri mundu mwirita I don't know. Aria mamuhoyagira. Yes.
So even so maundu ma muthe marahaneka no bururi urituhire ri. So what is yeye? That was his purpose.
That was his purpose. That is why you should not blame him. It's called blessings in disguise. Yes. Na nikiona people might meet their blessings to do kunyita everything negatively. No gemenya the spiritual realm controls the physical realm. Do getidona okay mo blame. It was his purpose to bring that comic debt number 13
Yeah.
so that Kenyans can work it out and we can bring the revival. Yes.
Wow.
No, at least ni mwanyita ora kurathi.
No turathie tunyitite.
Yes.
Riu no arehete tucio cio thamaki wa thayo now from another dimension.
Riu at least riu mwanyita ora kurathi behind the scene.
Wow. Clip yo diramiona. You just continue. I'll look for it. I'll confirm those times.
His birthday in December. He became 58. 5 plus 8.
13.
Niarekia wira wake.
Niareketie.
Niarekia. It's only a matter of time. Tondu mission ile amurehete ri ni amiruta.
So mundu akireho the mission ile ukaga nayo.
Mission ile ukaga nayo.
Mundu amenyaga the mission yake.
Okay, sometimes ni ukaga sometimes some people are lucky ni ukaga naturally. No kore before yokete ego guthumbura. Tari utaithuire ya tuthumbure, we had to go through a very nasty spiritual awakening.
You are calling.
Yes.
Ugikamenya.
Ona okay ni twamenyete no tukarega. Toria etawate ore wetiro ri Jonah etirwa akirega. People like us, we are called, we refused. Nikio ri ukarutwa marriage ukafutwa kinya riria Karo nilikwambia uende ukakataa. Endelea tu. By the time useme Mungu nimekuja nitaenda. Uonetio nyoni.
We. Ni 13 sio 13 ni siyamakia.
It's there.
Ni siyamakia. Anyways, muthamaki wa thayo. I mean, Karodi na ciuria. Twara dina mbere.
Ruri ndenda kumuonia uria iroka. Because the Roman Empire changed the calendar, the original calendar. Garedere ya Ngai athondekete. In the original Bible ya 17th century. Ugithime Google ekuo, you will see the calendar ya na 13 months. No ni meherithi a month which was very crucial. Na ruri makitwira the first month that in January. January is not the first month. January is the 11th month. Unigo to the few. Because I told you God works with the law of times and seasons. Now the moment waka work na the law of times and seasons, waka kutumira the lunar calendar when you order woko. Even when your destiny comes, destiny yaku egoke kuhituke we urio hau. Utekomenya. So don't know you are lucky, your past karmas are not heavy. Nigo destiny okay ekumagaritie. But if your past karmas were heavy, egoke hitukete negotie. Because the first month is April. They will try the new year next month, the new year. Second month is May.
Mudu wa keri ni May. Wajira April ni turaingira. Nitwarikia old year. Turaingira new year. So April the first,
yeah.
Nugo wa mbere. May wa keri.
Third, kiria June. Fourth, itagwo Soul. SOL. Which meant your soul, your true identity. Yani oyehedirio. Nekihedio kabisa, it's nowhere. But iyo Bible dakwira ya 17th century ri iho ya 13 months. Then the 5th month in July, 6th month August, 7th month September, 8th month October, 9th month November, 10th month December, 11th month January, 12th month February, 13th month March. Na nikiona the gates on the 3rd March, 15th March, 24th March, yani ira mirago irahigukire. Because March is the last month.
Nigetha utuingire mwaka mweru.
The new year of God. Haria the new earth riu irokira. Yes.
We.
Sai unaona sasa tuna flow.
Yes. Wow. Riu mieri no rarutire ku.
Merindo the first time I was given in a dream. Okay.
Is there any written record?
Yeah, if you go to Google, it's there.
Eho?
Tudondadire confirm.
Mweri wa heridio ni uriku?
Soul.
Na heridio niki?
Heridio naketha todo people are so curious. No merete mono kumenya. Todo ru mona the word soul they will go to dig more about the soul. Na ni makomenya the soul is you, your true you. Which is eternal, which is immortal, which does not die. That is why they removed for the 4th month soul.
Tutikamenye.
Todo etari hore tutigemenya. Noru Ngai no kire in your dreams or in a vision akwire. Akuhe the correct year, the lunar calendar. By the way, our ancestors matomagira this calendar.
Ni moi.
Nikio riu the marathie ri ikatolewa ikamucemanio kau the na Isaiah ni Emperor Constantine niwe weheririe tondu koni twamenyire ha kamurika kama the fourth month soul kodi heririo tungejua we are souls we are spiritual beings of light and the soul does not die na riu andu ingi matingikuwa magacoka the law of reincarnation could have ended yes but that was the theme of Kali Yoga to hide information to confuse people to turage ugo to thiruruka huko because your energy your negative energy is food to the rulers of this world
idio to negative
yes
ino ajire ona mohoro tore hagiro maria sad ni mutwe da kuona
nage tinde urakarite ugathina mbere na kuma they are prospering when you are angry
we
no duramenya it's a trap nikyo turamwira mukoro na open mindset wero kaudore before wabiririe ku judge you go do your own research because in this era of technology ignorant is a choice ni at least uhote kujirescue from the old earth ikigwari ndukagwe nayo
ndukangauke nayo
yes
true riuri ni twakeria cia 13 muhaririria wa the new earth
okay riuri from 1st April ni gukorwo na mass awakening mass spiritual awakening andu ingi muno ni magukira from their spiritual sleep because now they have to be purified in order for them to go to the new earth to the new earth ndugithina mabaggage maku
ndugithina mathina maku
na mabaggage everything no nginyo matige the old earth
nginya mehia ugo tuhanire akoro
muhenda na gwika uru ujohere niguo tuthie new earth so people will start having their spiritual awakening na riu no ni wega muno society emenye kiria signs and symptoms of spiritual awakening todo adome mabagiriria spiritual awakening in a high note immediately makabiriria kuigwa in the spirit makabiriria meiguru na kana makabiriria kuona in the spirit ona no maikare haria mabiririe kuona walls ikiandika maundu toria mene tekele yandikirwo
makoneke andika no tu marona ni no ko hau kiona ni ndirona
ni kana uthieja wone clouds it's having a message the problem is adu ni maratoro rehab todo adu ingi matiramenya horo wa spiritual awakening na todo spiritual awakening is a natural process area mundu ahetukayo ni Ngai through the Holy Spirit nigo so that you can purify your soul so that you can connect with God to dakurire God and the soul are one hatile separation and before the soul ekinyete kuri the owner Ngai no ginya purify that is why we are going through a spiritual awakening
idarere wow
adu igi muno ni maguthi through spiritual awakening for the preparation of them going to the new earth
mundu amenyaga atena ni ambia gukira
ni ukabiriria na we mwenyewe ri
sign turi kufati wone umenya ni ndambia gukira
to thoughts twaku ni ukabiriria kuyuria the bigger picture of life the meaning of life ru abiria question the meaning of life ucoke we yone because you are interested you can research about life umenye you are on your way to awakening
we
na ndugeterere itwike nasty ama itwike loud to raithwe itwe atwikire loud kinya tukiherio kuria twari
you know the funny thing ni riri tondu ni ngiroraga maundu wathie ugikuyu-ini ri wakwa kwina nginya na kirika ria kwa mokirite mundu mwena wa ugikuyu wathie ukristiano-ini ri urakora kwina nginya twana twa miaka 20 tukirite muno marageria kumatha uhoro if you go walk around na inywe spiritualism and do like in every aspect of life people are waking up can it explain the fact that to age in a spiritual
it's got the age of Aquarius okay tenere ya turari toro idwore you are in the age of Pisces and age quite small ages shikaraga 2000 years and now the big ages tari wino Kali Yoga shikaraga millions and millions of years
ito igaikara kuikara
riu age no turari ya Pisces ri ni rio andu mari makome pure spiritual sleep no ni athirire hindi ria corona yari hagwo the moment yathirire pure kwari 8th April 2022 igithira pure Yeah, we jump to the age of Aquarius.
Yes.
Now the theme of the age of Aquarius is to know thyself. We menye weu na we wau. You know your true identity and you connect with your soul because your soul is the true you.
Yes.
Now, then you start looking for information because it's the era of information. People are looking for information. Hoka hadu mamenya kinya ni mamenya Bible ni ashejirio. Ni mamenya ni kwa henanirio. Now people are becoming truth seekers because the truth will always set you free.
Yes.
Now the real teachings of Yeshua, the legitimate son of God, Mira. Now the age, the black Hebrews, were the universe, the earth, near Kenya.
And who are the black Hebrews?
The black Hebrews, near Africans, Adoiro. Yes. Mutogoretio ni adwa Juda adwa Kirima.
To the other.
Yes. Nikyo muthamaki ruma Kirima, okay, ruled from Kenya to the whole world. Ona Trump how ukoro the wa muthamaki.
Ona Trump huyo. Ni megwitikira.
Ni agwitikira. Trump knows.
Oh, he knows.
Na nikyo Trump agwithirio hedi ya Biden so that by the time ashokere nya akorwo athite through his spiritual awakening. That is why he had a nasty spiritual awakening. Agitoro igotini. Because he refused to wake up willingly. So if you are called urege kuiteka willingly, that is when you will go to your spiritual awakening with kicks and blows. Yes.
Tore wa rumirio.
Una Trump na Kenya rumirio. Na gukiheo ka eta kwacha ka lineage. Biden okay. So that Trump can be prepared.
For the 4 years Biden yako waadha nini?
Yes. No, nani Trump was being prepared.
Okay. So he knows.
He knows. Yes. And he knows he will work with the king. Yes.
Hey,
that is why I also, before Trump poketere, I made a video na nikaipost TikTok na YouTube. Na gemera Trump will win. Because they were it in our visions.
Yeah.
Trump, gayereda Trump mathodekere dina habinka. That is why he had to remove him. Todo koni adire na bereri. There is no way he could have been in power.
President after 2 terms.
It was preparation. That is why you have to see the bigger picture of life.
So like nothing is a coincidence.
There are no coincidences in life.
Things just align.
Yes. Todo you are so ready. Niyo yadikire all these soul contracts.
Hari akiambiriria.
Na we onowe akorodurajika na your soul is remembering. That is why our president's soul brought him in power so that he can bring the revival. Yeah, he can work out the comic number. The comic debt number 13.
I wrote.
Yes, you wrote. If you wrote, you told your mother to come and carry. Even me, you and I, we wrote a contract. So nothing
is a coincidence.
Nothing is a coincidence. Everything was written.
Now, now comes the deception.
The deception, even the deception was written. In the age of Kali Yoga, people will be deceived. People won't know who they are. That is the aim of Kali Yoga. And that is why, toward the new earth, go corona hospitals, jails, because now it was written in the golden age, no evil. Yes.
Adore ruaru gifiure karore.
Ni makona.
Adutuga domena makansa.
Ni makona.
Ogu.
The presence of God is here.
Mekwe honi ogu. Ogu mahone.
Miraculously.
Evil too.
Yeah, I'm telling you, the presence of God is very powerful. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard what is coming. Yes.
But now we have the other people. The contrary agenda.
The rulers of this world.
But
the age of sicknesses, age of poverty, imeisha. We work with ages and yogas. When the law of times and season, when a time ends, Krisha, when you are working somewhere and your season has ended, I'm telling you, what onogejaribu kuikara hau huwezika.
No rumor.
No rumor. How the law of times and season works, how God works, every 9 months, Shekinya, ufataira wagira hadore ukadika, so that you can count the 9th year.
Okay.
If the 9th year, uko tu hapo na hauna challenges, no, you are supposed to be there. But when the 9th year comes, you have challenges. Where you uko karibu na mlango, unaenda.
9th year? Can it also count 9 months? Kano ginya kwa 9 years?
Sana inakujanga 9 months. 9 years.
Miaka kenda. Ugigwa gutiri na tashwishi umenya wewe wako.
Wewe hawako. No one, people are hating you. Kila maudu ni maroka negative. Wewe umenye wihana murago. Because the 9th year, the cycle ends at number 9. No ginya play out. That's why I'm telling you there are no coincidences in life. On a marriage yaku. Through my marriage ended on the 9th year. My work in the law firm. I did the calculations.
Yes.
When I entered the law firm, the 9th year ilifika 2025.
Ukiuma.
Nikarushwa nje. Because that was not my destiny. That is why the destiny had to get me out of there.
Ado matayagera destiny cia huko. Ado matayagera destiny cia huko.
Okay, muno ri.
Todo igene ni ateu.
The problem is because your soul is going this way and your body is going this way.
So reda guthina guku na we reda guthina guku.
Nikio on the process. Todo soul yaku ni ekuete your destiny. That is why now your destiny will go wherever. Todo hatire na agreement. Even when Yeshua said, when the two of you walk together. Hakuwa nasema you and I. He was saying when your soul and you and your body work together in agreement. Maisha itaenda nywe.
Mudu agwika ate egutuma soul yake twarane na mwiri ate.
Riu nikio ni as for me I used sound healing frequencies.
Okay. Maudu. Njira maudu gamaka. Ifuku ria eno ko ni uthomete?
Ni thomete but sio yote. Thomete okuria kwa map, uria augire Kush ni Kenya. Kuria irrelevant. Kuria kura ni husu ni
kuria kuhusu. Oh wow. Riu ri. Unless we no ndungi haudina toria kadha tuiganona.
Hapa nimemaliza.
Riu ri ni ujirire we sia. Haria tukiambiriria. Sia. How do seers operate? Like how do you see things?
They just come automatically. Oguo tu no ikare hadu na wonio. Oguo tu. Kana ukome wonio yodo. It just come. Kana wiguo kiaririo. Dhamiri na sia no ndo umwe. Dhamiri ni intuition. Niyo ni feeling.
Kila mundu ni akona wewe.
But so many people don't know how to operate it. Na most people ignore it. The deeper meaning of intuition.
Okay. Ega kuira no okagweka ati.
Yes. That is the whole God is the feminine side and masculine side. The feminine side of God, the Holy Spirit. Na niwe twaragiria. Niwe ukaga ahead igatwira what will happen.
Okay.
Na niwe gukwira usiende hapo na na kiherehere uthie kiende kikurambe.
Kiundu gakuhanikira. Taru ni mwaragirio, no haragirio. Uiguaga ate? Is it a voice?
It's a voice. Tene ndio doraga tondu usiku anashikanisha.
Thauti igakwaririo guko.
Igakwaririo na ndurona wetha mundu nduramuona. Niguo ona mukui mundu ni akwiraga rarie na Ngai for 70 minutes. Yes, he talks.
Tanyitirira. Muhunjio ngidehaga hane njira guhoro wa riri. Familiar spirits. Even in the Bible, hena kairitu karega familiar spirit. Na ciaragiria andu o toria maragirio ciukaga ciekiria. Now, how do you know
the vibration?
The familiar spirit
the vibration of the familiar spirit is very heavy. Tondu ni negative energy. Ni ukuigwa, your body will sense. Na riu umfukuze, umwira choka kuria athie.
Ni magukoraga.
Mana ngora.
Magakwira atia?
Koza riu ni ndirakoretwo ni umwe. Arajira ni ndiraria muno YouTube, ni ndirahe andu kiria ndeto nyingi.
Aragukoria in the spiritual kana in person?
In my dream.
Aha na ate.
He's okay no mundo tawe. But you will see the negativity, the energy is very.
You will feel the energy, yeah?
You menye eno ni negative entity.
We?
Their aim, material dadu mokire maimenye. Because the more you sleep, the more you want to go to the new earth. Nari kone tutinokira re, they could have taken the new earth. Yes.
We? How often do mood weka gote? Kana no radio anytime?
Because the new moon and the full moon. Because the new moon means new beginnings. The full moon means endings. Hidio ne to download aga maundu maingi muno.
Mweri ukiambiriria
full moon.
Mweri wiki makia.
Dipendaga na date ile yoka.
Hey.
We download a lot of things.
Yeah. We.
On mweri 29 the solar eclipse we download a lot. Because now tuna transition. Taru the gate sishire I that 15th 24th jeriro tuko.
Now during this full moon mudu afatia geka ati hedi yo kwina the eclipse.
Okay, the only thing you are supposed to work on yourself each and every day. So that you can align.
Utihoroga ko strong ati mudu ahoe hedi yo kana kiate.
Pana. You supposed according to you pray every day. According you listen to sound healing, you listen to them every day. Nigo by the time the spiritual gates and the spiritual portals they are open, uko set. No blessing will ever pass you by because you are always ready.
Wow. Dina kioria kingi. No tutirihe.
Ni oria kumwira ri mwifange. Because shit is coming and shit is going down.
Tuharerie. King Habiga ne aroka.
Before King Habiga okite, system ni kwambiriria kugwa. Tondu Kalioga ni ani na 360 degrees of its
from 29th.
Yes, from 29th March. Now we will jump to the new earth.
Sisi urigendu ne gweterera.
Ni gweterera na wifange.
Ni gweterera na gwifanga. Ndu gwifanga ni tate.
You start repenting. Ako hari otundu twikaga ivo utige. At least now you vibrate with the frequency of the new earth. So everything is energy and energy is everything.
Wow.
Na mweri thano April twathie kirima. Ni oka.
Niki kuri.
Activations cia new earth.
Riu nyi mutigathi mu. Kama undo kirima-ine.
Kigithagia wa Mbugu wa Nyamu.
Mbugu narari ha Sunday twari nake. Tugika show njega muno. No, that is your assignment. Ithu reke tumemerekie na guku. Inyu mugakiruta mwena ucio ithu tugakimemerekia na guku. Tugakihe andu horo. You see everybody is called. Tauni no ko hidetiro hi andu memenye maundu mayo rari.
Twaruta maundu na kutoa kwira.
Na niga kinyeria andu. So I don't know.
Okay.
Riu ri ndona ta turikitie. No tuhe ciugo cia mwisho.
Okay.
Turikiririe.
Riu muthikiriria Muhia studio. Nitwarikia umemerekia witu omuthi and we will continue uthii na mbere. Na ni uria gwenda kumwira you repent, you align your energies. Tondu ni mwamenya everything is energy and energy is everything. Niguo kiria Karioge kigwa ri ndikagwe nawe. At least you be among aria magathi the new earth. Uthamaki ni wa thayu ukanatigwo.
Wow.
Na musubscribe kwa Muhia wa Maige TV.
Ani jeta wina channel.
Yeah. Ona no muke wakwa jetaga Caroline just type. Muke ona ni kwa musubscribe. At least we be there for each other. Yes. Because we are all brothers and sisters, we are all one to promote each other.
Yes. Mundu ina kiuria gikunyita ate?
Namba yako ya thimu ri no uhurire but I prefer odumire message WhatsApp tondu ngoragwo ndi busy no nimo ni kuoya but WhatsApp as long as I'm free I'll get back to you.
Yes.
Ni 0724 516 999 Caroline.
Wow. Ndakena Karo.
Nagetha ndikage kuoya wahura urakare. Yes.
Wow, ndakena. Nigorora topic yengi ngorora ciuri ngikuringana na cio no tweka na icio ingi then wacoka no twike cio ingi.
It's okay, no problem.
Yes, na ngeke mutongorio na mugithie ku kirima-ine na thank you for your time. Yes, tucemanie muthenya ucio ungi.
Okay.
Thengi muno mwiroreri nawe ni gugitwirorera ni mugitwandikagira comments nyingi na ende cihitukagira. I appreciate your feedback. You can even give me a phone call, you know, nigukorwo ngikorespondera na ituko tukiarangia njetago Muhia wa Maige gutigana kambuni ya Express Terrazzo Limited. Tucemanie muthenya wa rucio mathaa otamaya ni ndimwendete muno. Bye bye.
Walipokuwa wakijenga walitamani sana kuona sakafu inayovutia, isiyoharibika kwa urahisi na inayoangaza kwa umbali. Je, wajua sakafu ya Terrazzo ndiyo iliwapa jibu kamili ya walichokuwa wakitafuta? Inawekwa kwa urahisi na kwa utaratibu unaofaa. Hii ni baada ya kutayarisha sakafu vilivyo, kisha Mwaga mchanganyiko wa mawe na simiti na rangi. Lainisha na uhakikishe imemwagwa kwa umakini kutumia rola. Subiri kati ya siku 3 hadi wiki 1 ikauke. Baada ya hapo, anza kuosha ukitumia mashini spesheli ya kazi hii na maji, na baadaye tumia acid kuosha ili kutoa uchafu na madoa sugu. Malizia kwa kupaka mafuta au polish ya kuifanya idumu. Ikiwa unajenga kanisa, hospitali, shule, apartment, nyumba ya kuishi, viwanda, vinywaji vya mafuta, benki au mjengo wowote ule, tutembelee, kwani tuna mafundi wenye ubunifu na tajriba ya hali ya juu na uzoefu wa muda mrefu. Express Terrazzo Center tunakuuzia bidhaa za hali ya juu na kukuletea mahali popote nchini. Tutembelee leo, Ruiru Bypass Kamakis, pale Karuguru, mita chache kutoka RFH Hospital, au piga simu 0798 333 000. Express Terrazzo Center Bypass. You dream it, we fix it.